Okay, let me know when I can do it. It'll be quick. Okay, it's up to you. Take it. So, one thing for Ryan, Valiantly there, so that's McAlee here. ExtremeFlight Pitts. And first off, I want to say thank you to all the men and women who served past, present, and future, and those who made the ultimate sacrifice. We love you and we're never going to forget you. This next maneuver is dedicated to everybody here in the Power of the Pines Air Show. It's been a beautiful air show. It's been a little fun, but hey, as I told the Airboss, it builds character. But let's give it up to everybody at the base command that made this show happen. Dave Schultz and Schultz Air Shows and his amazing crew. And what the number one thing that we cannot do any of this with is each and every single one of you. So give it up for you. Thank you. God bless America. This next one's for you.
Back clear to land Lima, winds are 240 to 250 and 28 gust to 35.
Roger. And you want me to do a, like I did yesterday, just come by late later showing the way in?
Yeah, that's fine.
Roger.
Fudgy 61 and Kinks 10, your next pass will be inbound hot.
61.
Video E, you can start to live streaming on video E. And video, after video E, you're going to have about 3 minutes to kill. And Pat, right hand turn November, and then back to the pit. You can come up here if the winds permit.
Easier said than done, we'll do it.
Yeah, I know. Well, I hired you for the expertise for the winds in Chicago.
Right, I got a really big cab muscle this weekend.
I knew you were fighting it because we got a good blast down here.
Yep, and I'm going right in the direction. It seems like it's dying out west of Philly, though.
Yeah, we'll see.
Airboss, Pitch 61, quick question for you.
Go ahead.
After the pass, what are you looking for us to do to begin the recovery? Are you looking to shift that or right downwind or go back around?
So I want you to continue left downwind to runway 24.
Alright, we'll turn left at the end and continue and get a turn left downwind. Pitch 61.
Yeah, you can just keep it tight right into 24.
Airboss, dash 56.
56, go ahead.
Are we clear to taxi now, dash 56?
Yeah, 56, you're cleared to taxi, and then hold short 24.
Alright, Whiskey Delta to 24, dash 56, and we'll hold short.
Pat, good demo. You're clear back to ground, 121.8. Talk to you a little later.